Alright guys, here's the last episode of Season 1 for Law Truck and Friends, Episode 10. So, this episode is called Law Truck Meets New Cars. Please enjoy. One beautiful day in hallways and match. One beautiful day. One beautiful afternoon. Law Truck was going back to his house to rest. But here's a voice. Look out, here we come. What? Who said that? We said that. Oh my gosh, that's the first time I ever saw you. Yeah, I know that. What's your name? My name is Gas Tinker. Hi everybody, my name is Tow Truck Flatbed. Hello there, my name is Blaze Blitzer. My name is Red Jeep. And my name is Blue Jeep. Oh, nice to meet you guys. Yeah. But what Gas Tinker didn't know is that, there was a big raccoon on the track. Gas Tinker, you better watch out. Oh crap. So what does Gas Tinker needed to do? He needs to apply his brakes. But it was too late. But then there was trouble. A big rock had fallen on the road. Gas Tinker, you better watch out. There's a rock who fallen on the tracks. I mean the road. Oh no! He applied his brakes, and then it was too late. Gas Tinker crashed right into the rock and fell right on his side. Oh dear, he said. Red Sheep, you better hit your brakes. Oh no! Whoa. Oh my, are you guys okay? Yeah, we're fine. But then there was trouble. Law Truck heard something speeding down the road. Neom! Whoa, what was that? It was Horseplay. And he was having fun. And he was having fun speeding down the road. Oh my gosh! Horseplay, you're going way too fast! You better hit your brakes, as hard as you can, or else the gas tanker might explode and cause a big fire in the city. Oh no! Horseplay hit his brakes so hard, but it was too late. Oh no! Whoa! As the smoke cleared, Law Truck said, "Oh my goodness, that was insane!" Yet it was. Oh my gosh, the whole city exploded. Oh no, everything is on fire. We have to call Blaze Blitzer. What? But I'm already here. Oh, okay. Use a big ball of water. Okay. So first, let me move out of this way, a little bit. Ugh, there we go. Here we go. Woo! Squeak! Oh my, look at the city. It's on fire. But I have a big house, so I can use this. Oh, and whoa, that was fast. Yeah, it was locked truck. Okay, now one more thing. Do you think everyone is okay? I think so. Let me get back on my wheels. There we go. Now two of my logs fell. So I'll put them back here. And okay, now let me go save the accident. All right, tow truck flatbed. Oh my, look at that. Horseplay, are you okay? Oh, ow. I think my windshield burnt. Oh no, oh dear, your windshield is completely burnt. Yeah, now I need to go to the repair shop. Well, of course you need to do. So don't worry. I will pull the flatbed out of here. Okay, I get in there, horseplay. All right. Okay, now let me just close this. And they go, we're ready to go now. Okay, off you go to the repair shop. Okay. Here's the repair shop. Thank you. Alright, first let me back up. And I'm gonna use my wait, hold on. Maybe I should go the other way. Yeah. My mistake. This is the way to back up. Okay, I was wrong. There you go. Now you'll be fixed up in no time. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you later. Good to see ya. Oh, okay. Don't crush the brownie. Okay, you okay, gas tanker? Yeah, I'm okay. First let me get up. Whoa, there we go. What about you? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at your gas tanker. It's completely blown up. Yeah, now I need to get a brand new tanker and fill with more gas. Yeah. But we're gonna do that later. Okay. Alright, let's get going now. Goodbye. Let's get going now. Let's get going now. Okay. That was unfortunate. Okay, let's go now. Bye. See ya, log truck. See you guys. Okay. Now time to get back to my journey. Stay tuned for the second season that will come on April 12th. So, see ya.